Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need admin rights first because disabling system apps requires elevated control. Once signed in, open Settings with Windows plus I. This gets you straight to system controls. Now go to Apps and then Optional Features or Apps and Features depending on your Windows build. You're starting the process immediately. Find Snipping tool listed as an app or feature. If it isn't visible, you'll move to Group Policy or Registry next, so keep admin access ready and proceed to the next step. If Settings shows Snipping tool, select it and choose Uninstall or Disable. This is the cleanest path. Once done, confirm the app is gone. If it reappears after an update, use Group Policy. Open Gpedit. MSC, browse to Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Components, right arrow Tablet PC/Tablet PC Components, and enable the policy that disables Snipping tool. Make sure to apply and force an update with gpupdate/force. If you lack group policy, the registry method is the fallback. Back up first and edit the policy's key to block the executable. Restart the PC or sign out to ensure policy and uninstall changes take effect. That finalizes disabling. Once done, verify the Snipping tool shortcut no longer opens and that Windows Update hasn't reinstalled it. If it reappears, inspect scheduled tasks or provisioning packages that auto-install apps and uninstall or block those. If something goes wrong, restore the registry backup you made before editing and retry the safer group policy route. Remember, backups let you revert quickly, so make sure you have one before changing system settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.